Welcome to bacareers. In this video, let us discuss about digital transformation for business analysts. Topics covered: 1. Introduction. 2. What is digital transformation? 3. The role of business analysts in digital transformation. 4. Digital transformation business analyst job description. 5. Key responsibilities. 6. Skills required. 7. Examples of business analysts in digital transformation. 8. Role of business analyst. 9. Conclusion. Digital transformation is reshaping businesses across the globe. As organizations strive to stay competitive, the role of business analysts becomes crucial. Business analysts in digital transformation jobs are pivotal in ensuring that companies effectively integrate digital technologies into their operations. This article explores what it means to be a business analyst in the realm of digital transformation, delving into job descriptions, required skills, and practical examples. What is digital transformation? Digital transformation involves the integration of digital technology into all areas of a business, fundamentally changing how organizations operate and deliver value to customers. It's a cultural shift that requires organizations to continually challenge the status quo, experiment, and get comfortable with failure. The role of business analysts in digital transformation. A business analyst in digital transformation jobs bridges the gap between IT and the business. They help to ensure that the digital transformation initiatives align with the organization's strategic goals. Their role includes understanding the business needs, analyzing processes, and recommending technology solutions that improve efficiency and effectiveness. Digital transformation business analyst job description. Key responsibilities. Requirement gathering. Identify and document business requirements for digital transformation projects. Process analysis. Analyze current business processes to identify areas for improvement through digital technologies. Solution design. Collaborate with IT and other stakeholders to design effective digital solutions. Change management. Assist in managing the organizational changes required for digital transformation. Data analysis. Use data analytics to support decision-making and measure the success of digital initiatives. Stakeholder communication. Communicate effectively with all stakeholders to ensure a smooth implementation of digital solutions. Skills required. Analytical skills. Technical knowledge. Communication skills. Problem-solving skills. Project management. Example 1. Retail industry. Scenario: a retail company wants to improve its online shopping experience. Role of business analyst. Requirement gathering. The business analyst gathers requirements from various departments, including sales, marketing, and customer service. Process analysis. They analyze the current online shopping process and identify pain points, such as slow website speed and poor user interface. Solution design. Collaborating with IT, they recommend implementing a new e-commerce platform that integrates better with the company's inventory system. Change management. They help train staff on the new system and manage the transition to ensure minimal disruption. Data analysis. They use customer data to identify trends and suggest further improvements to the online shopping experience. Example 2. Financial services. Scenario: a bank wants to launch a new mobile banking app. Role of business analyst. Requirement gathering. The business analyst works with the mobile development team to understand the features needed in the app, such as account management, transfers, and bill payments. Process analysis. They review existing banking processes to ensure the app integrates seamlessly with the bank's systems. Solution design. They design a user-friendly interface and ensure the app meets regulatory requirements. Change management. they coordinate training for customer service representatives who will support the app users. Data analysis, they analyze user feedback and app usage data to recommend updates and new features. Conclusion. Business analysts play a critical role in this transformation by ensuring that technology solutions align with business objectives. Whether in retail, finance, or any other industry, their skills in requirement gathering, process analysis, and solution design are invaluable. By understanding the job description and responsibilities of business analysts in digital transformation, organizations can better leverage their expertise to achieve successful digital initiatives. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Please visit our website for more information. Link is available in the description.